what?
Wow. Okay. This really separates the men from the boys.
Peter, just say what?
Yeah, Lois, this is not a race. Okay, I want to say who. Fantastic Four, steak, small amount of peas. Is it what?
That's right. You win, Peter. You did it.
Ramp from Joe. I'll see you, honey. I'll be back in a while.
Joe, are you all right?
Don't help me up. I need to retain my independence.
You need anything from the market?
Power bar.
And to be something you're not. Like the time Peter pretended to be racist to get out of jury duty.
Awful lot of honkies in here.